Hello and welcome to this tutorial from Leaders of Africa Create. Today we are going to talk about the basics of Moodle, what it looks like when you first get into a Moodle session. As you can see on this page, this is a Moodle session. We've just logged into the account. In this case, the account is Test Instructor. So this is what an instructor will see as they are going to use Moodle. And I'm going to take you through some of the things that you see on the instructor side of the equation. Right here is the general dashboard. So when you log in, this is what you see. You can see dashboard that will take you to this section. You see a calendar tab here. You see a research design tab that refers to the research design program that we do at Leaders of Africa Institute, and then all courses here. And as you can see, this is a very beautiful look to the way that Moodle looks, and that's because we've applied a theme, in this case, to kind of tighten up the stylistic characteristics of Moodle. So let me scroll down and show you what we see. We can see the announcements. This is an area in which the institute or your school can post announcements that all students and scholars and everyone involved can see. You can see latest announcements are welcome to the Leaders of Africa Institute Moodle. On this side, you can see upcoming events. That will oftentimes include assignments and when they are due if you are a student, but also other events that you post to the calendar as well. Under here, we see timeline. It also is a queue of all activities that are coming due, and then a calendar also demarks that as well. So you can see this is the calendar here, and May is, and 2020 is there. That's when we are recording this. Right here, you can see the online users, and online users are all those students and faculty who are signed on at that given point in time. And you can actually make yourself invisible if you'd like by clicking this little eye here, and then it will make you invisible to others. Most of the time, you want to leave this open so that students as well as faculty know that you're online. And then finally, you see all the courses down here. In this case, we have the demo course, the Leaders of Africa demo course that we will be using for our discussion of Moodle. A couple more features to show you is this little talk button here. This talk button here opens up Moodle's Messenger. And so this allows you the opportunity of sending messages within Moodle to students as well as faculty. It's a really good system. We're going to also talk in our discussion, our broad discussion of applications for teaching other messenger apps that may be better for the purposes of student and professor communication, but this is one avenue that you can go. You also see a notification window for any sort of notifications that come through Moodle. And then finally, you have the instructor tab here, and you can see the dashboard here. That's where we are right now. You can also go to profile. So let's take a look at the profile. And this gives you some basic information, your email address, when you last accessed, and any courses that you're involved in. And you can see date of birth, other information that are inputted by faculty or scholars as well. So let me go back to the dashboard. Great. And the last thing I'll show you is the courses. So if we click on all courses here, it's going to pull down a list of all the courses that are available, not just ones that you have access to. So if you pull this down, you see that there are other courses that are available under this general tab. We're going to go to the demo courses tab. You can see there are two courses. One is for testing and the other one is the Leaders of Africa demo course. What you can do is access this, and you'll notice that the instructor is test instructor. And as you can see, when you enter the demo course, you can see that it is empty. And so we will be populating this. It will take you on a little bit of a tour, as I've just done, of where the messaging is. And then it ends that tour right there. And then here we have a blank slate in Moodle on which you begin to craft the canvas of any course that you are doing as well. And so this ends this very brief tutorial and introduction to Moodle, an important and robust learning app that is open source and free to modify on any type of server, including shared hosting. We're going to delve in deeper in future tutorials, as well as our upcoming webinar for administrators and professors at African universities. So again, thank you for your time and hope to see you later.